In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about viewing saved passwords on your Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up Brave and select the menu icon up at the top right. Looks like a little hamburger icon. And then go down and select Settings near the bottom of this menu. On the left side, you want to select where it says Autofill and Passwords, and then select Password Manager. At this point, any passwords that have been saved will appear in here, and then you can actually edit or view them. You might have to enter in your computer password in order to view covered or hidden passwords, basically. You can also add passwords manually by selecting the Add button up at the top and then insert the credentials for that web page. And you can also import passwords manually with a CSV file as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.